Yo, what's up guys, me Iron, and welcome back to another Lego video. And today I'm really showing you my Iron Man Mark 1 mini Hulkbuster mock. So let's get straight into it. So this frame was inspired by Mindbender's frame. He's a cool channel, check him out. And here's the minifigure head. If you take it off, you can see it's the new Iron Man minifigure. And I'm just gonna switch it to the side. So look, here's the new printing. And this fig comes from the new Iron Man mech set. So here's the cockpit opened up. I used a new technique for the cockpit, which is really cool. And you can find instructions for this at Mindbender's Payhip. So guys, this is the shoulder padding. These are the wings. So I'm just going to lift the wing up here. And here is the shoulder slopes. So it goes like this and it broke. Okay, take two. Let's go. So guys, this is the actual shoulder padding now. So here are the slopes, and if you move the wing, it moves the whole shoulder padding. And this is a new, I'm new shoulder padding, so I think it turned out pretty well. So guys, I use a very special snot technique for the chest. So I'm just gonna remove the chest piece, and look, you can see I used a bracket and a 1x1 translucent stud. So I'm just sticking it back on here now. So yeah, that's how I made the chest piece as chubbybots' design. And here in the back, I used a 2x3 brown plate to hold everything together. The back is not really detailed, but I don't mind. So here I'm just showing you all around the back. So it's pretty cool, I guess. So guys, here are some poses it can do. So I'm not going to really move it around much because it's more of a heavy mech and a display piece. But still, it's really cool. So I'm just going to raise his hands outside a little bit and just pose his legs just to give an idea of how posable it is. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. So if you liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and comment what type of frame I should make next. And thank you for watching guys, and